So most of the interviewer asks as a freshers or experience, how find and index method will be going to work on strings and how star. So right, star is nothing but it's indicate that into. So how this asterisk keyword will be work and how is operator and how double equal to operator will be work. All these things we will see in this video. So if you come to live, please like, then I share my screen and then show you the output, how it will be work. It's a very, very important. Be remember. So I have do all the Python interview questions at list out and one playlist I have to store. Now, as of now, it will be 40 interview questions I will be stored there. So if you are in live, just you have to observe. And in my YouTube channel, I have post all together in one playlist. Okay. Now we will see. I just want to share my screen. If it is visible, you can say. Okay. Now I will share my screen. Then I go with Anaconda Jupyter Anaconda platform. I use a Jupyter notebook to create the programs. Just I have to open this one. Now it's visible, right? If anyone is there in the live, please like this video because we will be support with the knowledge, because knowledge is the most important. So we can share the knowledge to the people whoever really wants. So now we will check with how it will be work like a. So I can take like a. This is the star, right? Where is that? This is a star. So this is star is nothing but this is just like a into, right? This both are the same in the Python. Now what I'm going to take here, how it will be work. Before going to that, I have to take a string and then check with the how it will be work. Suppose I have to take like a, so here I have to take ABC and BBC and XYZ. Okay. For this one, I have to use to find the index. So the interviewer asks how index and find method both will be work. Okay. So how it will be work? Well, now we will see this one. So suppose I have to take a print. I just want to pass the variable. So that is S1. On that, I have to use index method. This is the index method, predefined method or inbuilt method in the Python. Suppose I have to give X, Y, Z. So what it will be happening when I try to run this one, you can get 6. Actually, this is the A is the 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So any string start with 0 and end with size minus 1. That we will be discussing in the previous video. So I have to, from scratch to I have to discuss there. If you have any doubt, you can go there and check it. So now it will get with the, this is the index method. The index starting only, it will be displayed. Suppose if I have to remove, I have just want to paste just a Z, then this is the index value 8. This is a way we can find the index of the given string. Suppose if I want to, I will give the substring. This is a substring of the original string, right? So if in case I have give other than the substring of the given original string, then what it will be displayed? That's very important, right? Suppose if I have give 1, actually this index one jet, it's not be in the existing string. Am I right? So now this time what it will get the output, we will check it. I don't get any output because yes. Now you can check it here. Substring not found. What it will get the error? It's throw the error like a substring not found. Suppose if I have to take like a, I have take one more cell and then try to run this one. So take one more cell and just paste it here. Then here what I have to do, here I have to do take like a print. Now I have to find the S1 is a substring dot here. What I have to do here, I have to give like a S1 dot find method. We have a inbuilt method find. Then I have to give like a ABC. So then try to run this one, we get 0. So the ABC is the substring of the given string. This is the original string, but it won't be display 0, 1, 2, 3. The substring where to start, that one only going to display here. Got it? So now it will be start with 0. Suppose if I have to give XYZ, what happened? Where the X will be start, where the substring will be start, that one only going to display. This is a 6, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will start with 6. Now, if I have to give other than the original string, okay, which is not be in the given string, then suppose I have to give 1, with this is not be here, right? So now I just run this one, it will give -1. This is only the difference. Okay, this is only the difference. If it will, so if you ask me a question, okay, what is that? Suppose you ask me a question, how this index and okay, some of them are asking to repeat this one. Okay, so now you can check it here. I will show you the output. Now you can check it here. So this is the subs. Okay, this is the string. Okay, this is the index method, and then we are going to use the find method. These both are the going to use in the Python to find the substring index where to start. Okay, so now I have to first what I have to give, I have to give, suppose I have to give XYZ, then I try to run this one, it will be, this is the substring of the original string, right? So it will display where to start. So X start. So the index always start with 0 and end with size minus. Okay, size is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Size management. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will start 6. So if I have to give other than the index, other than the string, suppose if I have to give XYZ 1, this is not reflecting in the original string. This is not in the original string. That time what it will be display. I just try to run this one. I get a found. Substring is not found here. Yes, it's not found here, right? So that's why it will be displayed. I think you got it right. This index value, is it clear? Okay, you if you have to clear, then just give the message like yes, clear. Okay, now we will check with how it will be work the find method. Okay, again I will repeating. So I will clearly explain. If you have any doubt, just you have to see this video again and again, 2, 3 times. Definitely you will get it. Suppose if I have to give like a find method. Now we will check with the find method. So find is a method which will be finding the original string, the substring where to start. Okay. Suppose if I have to give find and xyz, just try to run this one. It will give 6. Why? Because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will start 6. Index will start 6. Okay, this find and index both uh, starting the value by count by 1 only. Sorry, 0 only. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will start. Index, it will start with 0. Okay, that you have to remember. If I have to give other than the original index, original substring, what happened? This is not this is a substring which is not reflecting the original string. You can check it here because XYZ is there, but one is different. This time what happened? It will be throw the error like a -1. Got it? So when it's throw the -1, so the most of the real time companies will be using these techniques. If you go any interview, they definitely ask this question. So that means, so this is the find method. This is the index. Here my question is, if two methods, why we need the two methods to find the, you check it, why we need the two methods to find the substring. There is an index method is there is a find method is there. Then what is the use? Why two methods are declared? Two methods are be used in the Python. Because in real time, you can check with here, real time you can check with what happened. It will throw error. It won't throw error here, but index will be throw the error. So this is definitely need the uh, on separate method. But coming to here, so this is the find method. We don't want to any exception case, no need. But here definitely we need the throw the exception case we need. So again we have to put the exception case and catch the error value and show it. So this is this purpose, this requirement. Most of the real-time experts can use the this find method. I think you can clear, right? So you are in the live. Please like this video because most of them it will be reach. Definitely it will be useful. Now you can clear if you have any doubt. You just message in the box. If you have no doubt, then we'll go move to the another concept in the Python, which is very important for the interview. Definitely they will ask this type of questions. They definitely ask what is the find and how index will be used. Then they will ask what is the use, why we use two methods. That one also arise the question. So if you clear, just type the chat box. Then we will go with another topic that is into. So it's a very important here. So in your childhood days, you have to know, right? Into is nothing but the multiplication symbol, right? That we will check it here. So this is the into, right? So this is the into is equal to in the Python language. We will be any language. We will use this one instead of this into. We will be use this one because of this is the programmatically representation purpose we are using. You know, right? Why we use this multiplication symbol? Okay, this multiplication symbol. Suppose if I have to take a equal to 10, just take a small example and then I clearly give you a deeper level of understanding and you will get a deeper level of subject, you will get it. So just you have to run this one. Just now what I have to, just you have to give the like this video, then it will give more do live sessions for me. So I have to take a equal to 10. Then I just want to take a print. What is the print method? Then I have a into. So suppose I have to into in the sense of star, b I have to take. So better to I have to take like a b also 2. Okay. So even the second class children also say that what is the 10 to the 20, right? that will be get it here 20. See how simple it is. Just wait, just wait. Why? Because it's very simple. This will be how this will be asked in the uh, interview. That we will be discussed, right? Because this is everyone can say 10 into 2 or else 10 into 3. Everyone knows multiplication. So they can easily find out. Now I will give you one real-time scenario, which is a interview scenario. I have just passed it here. So take a variable and assign 12. Then I just enter, then print. So if you have to give it like and then only it will be more useful. So I have to give like a, so better to I have to take like a string. Okay. Then I have to give like a into 2 or else a into 5. So then you can comment here. What is the answer we'll get it here? Just I want to see here. Just comment what is the answer we will get it. Whatever you have to see there, you have to tell, then we will see it here. We just comment here. So then you know, right? A equal to 12. Okay. Then 12 into 5. What we will get the output? So you think that 12 into 5 is the 60 answer, right? Am I right? You get 60. But actually it won't be get 60. Why? Because see, check it here. This is the string. Okay. This is the string. So it will consider 12. 12 into 5, 60. You can expecting 60. You can just give the, this is a more interactive session. So you just want to just type your answer. Then we will see what is the output here. We will get it. Then you think that it will be 12 into 5, it is 60. So basically it won't be get to 60. Check it here. So it will get something different. Check it here. If you want a space, you can just give the space here, then rerun the code, then check it here. This is what? So that means this is a substring will be display how many times we have to specify that many times it will be displayed. That's it. It won't be calculated like a 12 into 560. Just it will be calculated something different. Okay. That you have to see it. Sorry. Now we will check it here for the another session. Now we'll go with the another module. Then you will get different values. So you got it right. All these things. If you have any doubt, just you have to raise your hand and then we will see. Check it. See, it's very simple, right? So most of them think that 12 into 5. So they will think that get 60. Obviously it won't get like, because previously what happened, it's considered it is as an integer, it is considered it is as an integer. So 12 10 into 2, then 20 will get out here. But coming to here, this tool is a, this is just like a, it's considered as a string into 5. What happened, it will be displayed like a 5 times the same string will be displayed. Suppose if you have to give like here, I have to give coderscoding, which is my all small letters only. It is my channel name. You can go there and learn the Python, all the coding techniques. I just want to give run what we will get the output. Let's see. See, coding will be repeated 5 times. Yes, really, these type of tricky questions will ask in the interview. You just any certification also they will be asked. Okay. Now we will check with how is operator and double equal to operator will work. Okay, is operator and double equal to operator. That we will be seeing here. Okay, suppose I have take a list. Okay, you know, a list always denotes a square brackets. Okay, 1 comma 2 comma 3. This is the list. Okay, here what I have to do, I have to take another list also. Okay, I have to take another list also. Then I have changed the, so then I have changed the, this is the list A, this is the list B. Okay. Here I have to just print. You can observe here. It's a very important. So print. You just like this video and then check the answer. A is B. What is the answer? You can guess and you can mention here what we get the answer. A is B. So what is the answer here? You will get it. So I just run this one, then it will get the false. See why? Because it's get the false. This is operator, what it will do exactly. Okay, what it do exactly, that we will see here. Actually, the is operator is the operator, as I discussed earlier in videos also. So which will going to check the, which is going to check the address of the given list. Okay, so I just want to check with the print. I have to mention like a ID, then address of the address we will be indicate in the short form of ID. If I have to specify like A and just copy this one and then run this one and then here check pass the value like a B. Okay. Now you check it, then you can check the, see here 2108887099696864. Both address are the, what it will get here different. 218870984896. This is the address are different, right? So these address are different. Then what happened? It will, this is the different only, right? So that's why it displayed as a false. Suppose it will be same, na? What it will get the output? You get our output like a true, right? We will check with the, if I have to give like this or else like 1, I have to give 1. Just check like this, what is the A is B or not? This one also false. Okay, suppose I have to give like this. Now coming here, these both addresses are different, that's why false. Whenever it is true, then only it will display. Okay, suppose if I want to, so now you got it clarity on this is operator, right? So I have taken one more example, then we will discuss with the double equal to operator. So what is a double equal to? Double equal to means it will be just equal to. Okay, it will be just equal to. So that's we will see now. Suppose I have taken two lists. Okay, in these two lists, what I have to do? What I have to do here? Then I have to print. See here, I just want to give A double equal to B. That means it will check in by visibly, you know, right? This is the list A and list B. Both are identical, as well as whatever the elements are there here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Both are same only, right? So this time it will be displayed like a true. By visible only we will get it that one. Now check it, this one true, we will get it. So for more videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Then we will check with this. The next live session we will be conducted with the more effectively. Thank you so much for your time. Please subscribe. If you have any doubt for all these sessions, we will be regularly conducting. Please subscribe and then stay tuned. We will see tomorrow. Thank you.